Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I want to come on and do an Asian cabbage salad with a peanut dressing. It's really quick, really delicious, full of lots of nutrients and vegetables, and you can use it as a side, as a main, and add some chicken or tofu or whatever you want to add as your protein. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm just going to go over a few ingredients that we're using for the recipe. So you can do a half a cup of sliced or slivered almonds. I have a small head of green or red cabbage, or you can combine. So I've done both, and I sliced it pretty thin, but I would really like it a little thinner than that. So that's the cabbage. 1 medium bell pepper, very thinly sliced. So here's the bell peppers. So there's the bell peppers. 1 cup of finely shredded carrots. These are the only ones that the store had, so I picked them up from Whole Foods. That was like the thinnest, but I've seen them thinner than that. We're also going to use 1 cup of edamame, and let's see, those were frozen. I picked these up from Target. So you just let them unthaw, and then half a cup of fresh cilantro that I chopped. So we're gonna get started. Oh, and then for the dressing, then I'll also mix that up, so I haven't mixed that at all. Oh, sorry for the noise, guys. Edamame. Guys, this bowl looks really small. So hopefully we'll be able to mix it pretty good. I had it in another bowl, but I really thought that this bowl would be better, but yeah, I'm not so sure about that now that I've started. The other bowl is shorter, but we'll try to get it mixed up a little more. Being a single person, I usually don't have like huge mixing bowls or anything. Yeah, I'm starting to lose my ingredients. And so what we're using for the dressing is the rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and they asked for low sodium soy sauce, but I didn't have any, so we're going to use a dark soy sauce because that's all that I have. We're going to use the creamy peanut butter, and then we're going to mince fresh garlic. So I'll start getting that ready. Well, I'll mince the garlic and then I'll come right back. And then I don't know if you guys can see back here, I switched out the bowls. You can see it a little better, the different colors. I love to see the colors of vegetables and different dishes. It makes it look so pretty. Let me taste. So I would suggest using low sodium as opposed to using the dark soy sauce. But again, I didn't have any, so I didn't want to hold up the video any longer. So I'm just going to add just a tiny bit of water. And don't do what I'm doing, guys. This is just my own thing because I want to kind of lessen the salt. I just knew it called for soy sauce, but not realizing that it calls for the low sodium. So definitely use the low sodium, because the water is going to alter the flavor, but I'm sure it will still be delicious. So now I'm going to just go ahead and pour this over. And then use my spoon to mix a little. And then you can always add more dressing. Just make another batch if you find that you want more. But I'm going to stop right here. And then if I want more, because this is going to last me a few days. If I want more, then I'll just go ahead and go to the store. And the next batch I make will be with definitely the low sodium. So this is it, guys. This was really fast. I almost forgot the almonds. So these almonds I toasted for 4 minutes total. I first toasted for 2 minutes, and then I tossed them, and then I went back and toasted for another 2 minutes, and they were perfect. The recipe says you can do to 4 to 6 minutes, but I think the 4 minutes is fine instead of the 6 minutes, because I think if I had did it for 6 minutes, they would have been burnt. So yeah, this is it, guys. I think what took me the most time was chopping up the vegetables, and it doesn't take that much time to chop up red peppers or cabbage. So that's really what took me the most time. And this is the dish. Here, let me give you guys just a close-up of it. But yeah, well, not really a close-up, just a different angle. But yeah, I really like it. And these are all vegetables that I like. So I'll probably, I don't know what I'll use for protein as far as that's concerned. But yeah. So subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below if you plan to make the salad. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.